Learn easy English, one scene at a time. Perfect for beginners and kids. Episode 5. Two people far apart. The rabbit runs very fast. The rabbit runs very fast. The turtle walks in the back. The turtle walks in the back. The two move far apart. The two move far apart. The rabbit climbs the hill. The rabbit climbs the hill. The wind blows very strongly. The wind blows very strongly. The turtle moves along the road. The turtle moves along the road. I do not hurry. I do not hurry. The rabbit is smiling. The rabbit is smiling. This race is very easy. This race is very easy. The monkey watches from a tree. The monkey watches from a tree. The birds fly in the sky. The birds fly in the sky. The bear looks into the distance. The bear looks into the distance. The rabbit jumps over a stone. The rabbit jumps over a stone. Dirt flies to the back. Dirt flies to the back. The turtle moves very slowly. The turtle moves very slowly. Leaves fall on the road. Leaves fall on the road. The rabbit runs forward. The rabbit runs forward. The turtle stays behind. The turtle stays behind. The distance grows much larger. The distance grows much larger. The deer opens its eyes. The deer opens its eyes. The rabbit looks at the sky. The rabbit looks at the sky. Today feels very good. Today feels very good. The turtle moves its feet. The turtle moves its feet. I will not stop. I will not stop. The fox walks along the road. The fox walks along the road. The wind moved the grass. The wind moved the grass. The rabbit goes very far. The rabbit goes very far. The turtle looks very small. The turtle looks very small. The monkey keeps laughing. The monkey keeps laughing. The bear watches very quietly. The bear watches very quietly. A bird sits on a branch. A bird sits on a branch. The forest looked very bright. The forest looked very bright. The rabbit jumps very actively. The rabbit jumps very actively. I can still run fast. I can still run fast. The turtle looks ahead. The turtle looks ahead. I will go to the end. I will go to the end. The road continues for a long time. The road continues for a long time. The rabbit starts to sing. The rabbit starts to sing. The monkey claps its hands. The monkey claps its hands. The turtle walks very calmly. The turtle walks very calmly. The wind shook the trees. The wind shook the trees. The rabbit looks back. The rabbit looks back. The turtle was still very far. The turtle was still very far. The rabbit laughs very loudly. The rabbit laughs very loudly. I have already won. I have already won. The turtle keeps moving along the road. The turtle keeps moving along the road. The birds are singing. The birds are singing. The sky shined very blue. The sky shined very blue. The rabbit runs even faster. The rabbit runs even faster. The turtle moved very quietly. The turtle moved very quietly. Thank you for watching. We will upload new stories every day. Let's enjoy learning English together.